In 2025, air travel comes with new policies that could cost you hundreds or even your flight if you're not prepared. And this video breaks down the top changes to help you save money and avoid chaos. Imagine arriving at the airport, bags packed for your dream trip, only to face a hidden fee for traveling solo, a banned power bank, or an outdated ID that stops you at security. Welcome to the new reality of flying. Some airlines, like Delta, tested accompanied travel fees in early 2025, charging solo travelers $199 while dropping group bookings to $118 per person. And though Delta backed off, United and American are reportedly trying similar tactics, so compare prices for 1 versus 2 tickets to dodge sneaky surcharges. Power banks, once lifesavers, now face strict rules after a mid-air fire in South Korea. Starting May 2025, airlines like Southwest banned their use in overhead bins, requiring them to stay visible and under 100 watt-hours in your carry-on. So check airline policies and pack name brand chargers. Smart luggage with non-removable lithium batteries is banned from both carry-on and checked bags, with TSA enforcing a 160 watt-hour limit and requiring labeled, removable batteries in fireproof pouches. Check your device's specs or ship it as cargo to avoid gate confiscations. New AI-powered CT scanners at U.S. airports flag everyday items like lotion or thick-soled shoes, causing delays despite faster scans, so pack light and keep liquids in a clear bag, even at advanced terminals. Silent airports, like Zurich and some U.S. terminals, are ditching loudspeaker announcements, leaving travelers reliant on apps and boards. A missed notification could mean a missed flight, so download your airline's app, enable push notifications, and check boards frequently. As of May 7, 2025, Real ID is mandatory for domestic flights, and non-compliant licenses without a gold star lead to extra screening or denied boarding, so verify your ID now or bring a passport and arrive early. On the bright side, new U.S. Department of Transportation rules guarantee automatic refunds for delays over 3 hours domestic or 6 hours international. Lost bags or undelivered add-ons with up to $2,150 cash for bumped flights and 24/7 human support. So know your rights and file claims promptly. These tips can save you from 2025's airport surprises. So if this helped, smash that like button, share with your travel crew, comment your worst airport story, and subscribe with the bell for more travel hacks to conquer the skies.